Now then guys, we've got ourselves this Kyosho Mini Inferno 09. It's one of the world's smallest Nitro RC cars. We got this off eBay. It's actually in pretty good nick, but it is untested, so we're not too sure whether it starts. Chassis's got a few marks, but actually not that bad considering its age. We'll crack open the body shell, have a look at it. The suspension doesn't look too bad on it, but we'll do some upgrades on it as well because of the age of it. So these come with a Team Orion engine, so in a Kyosho engine, but it's a really good performance engine. But they are really small, as you can see. It's like the size of my thumb. So the camera probably doesn't show it up, but it's incredibly small, like really tiny. As you can see, if I hold the car in my hand, it's not far off, just a little bit bigger than my hand. So we're going to do some upgrades on it. We're going to change the servos out for some faster ones. Maybe do the shocks, but they don't feel too bad, so we'll probably do the shocks as well. I'm going to upgrade all the receiver because it comes with this really old remote control where the aerial's missing from it. So these aren't great, these are really bad. So we're going to replace that out for one of the newer versions. They also come with this starter box, which is a really small starter box. This is the Kyosho one, the original one. Again, doesn't look bad in it, but it has had some use because there's a bit of wear and tear on it. And it even has the original battery that come with it, but that'll be knackered, so we'll replace that as well, and fit some other stuff. We're also going to upgrade the tyres. We have actually managed to source some of these tyres, but they were really hard to get because one of them has split, we noticed when we got it, but we managed to get some original tyres and rims. They were also from eBay. So it's been fully stripped down, and overall it's actually in really good nick. So we're just going to clean it up, make it look like new. There isn't really much that needs doing to it because it genuinely doesn't look like it's been used a massive amount, unlike the Puritan Alpha that we rebuilt a while ago. See video below. It doesn't look like it's actually had much use at all. A lot of it was just surface dust. The shock absorbers are in really good nick. There's not really any scratches on it. The only part that's a little bit worn, where it has shown a little bit of wear, is the chassis. But even that, for a car this age, it's not bad at all. So we've just been looking at the starter box that comes with this car, and this is the only way of starting it due to how small it is. They don't come with a pull starter, so the idea being is it sits on top and rotates the flywheel with this pulley wheel here. However, upon testing it, it doesn't seem to be turning over the engine great, so we think the motor might have worn out. So what should happen? It should turn the engine over really well. It seems like it's struggling a bit. So it's a brand new battery, but the motor itself actually looks like it's seen some wear. So we're going to replace the motor, and hopefully that solves the problem. For the time being, fit a replacement receiver battery pack, but we've had to tie off it to the back because we can't get hold of the original battery that fits in here, and they are really small. but we're trying to get hold of one of them, but we can't seem to get one of them as of yet. So change of plan, we're going to give it a go running it anyway, try giving it a first start using the same motor and the battery and just see how we get on. So just going to do first start, we're going to run her on 20% and see how she gets on. Fuel tank's tiny. Prime it. So just going to prime it and see if you can see the fuel coming through. There we go. Give it, right, ready for first start.
Here we go.